To solve any word problem, look for key words or phrases that may help you set up the word problem. For this question, how much deeper is the new tire? The key phrase much deeper means subtraction. So we have 3 over 8 minus 7 over 32 for the online lessons and for my face-to-face foundations classes. If any part of a word problem requires subtraction, then the minus sign is mandatory in your setup. If you leave it out, you may not get full credit. So include the minus sign in your setup. The next step is to find the least common denominator. So for among 8 and 32, it is 32. So we have 32. The next step, find each missing numerator. Looking at the first two denominators, how much could 8 go into 32? Correct, that will go 4 times. So you multiply 3 also by 4, giving us 12. Now the second pair of denominators are actually the same. So we don't need to do anything but bring the minus 7 over. Think of it this way. 32 can go into itself one time, and 1 times 7 will still give us 7. With subtraction, order is important. So if you subtract the numerators and get a negative answer, go back and switch your fractions. But here we're okay. So our final answer is 5 over 32. Again, look for keywords or phrases to help you set up and solve your word problem. Let's look at another example. As part of a 3-day workout plan to prepare for a triathlon, an athlete ran so many miles Monday, so many miles Tuesday, and so many miles Wednesday. How many miles did the athlete run in the 3-day period? What we're looking for is the total number of miles. And you know total means addition. So we'll set up our problem as such. So we have 8 and 1 over 8 plus 11 and 1/5 plus 15 and 1 over 10 Now the first step again is to find your least common multiple or denominator. So for these 3 denominators, what do you think? You're right, the least common denominator is 40. So we'll rewrite each denominator with 40 now. The next step is to find each missing numerator. So up here with the first fraction, how much could 8 go into 40? Alright, that will go 5 times. So we multiply 1 times 5 to give us 5. In the middle, 5 can go into 40 8 times, and 1 times 8 will still give us 8. And last, 10 can go into 40 4 times, and 1 times 4 will give us 4. Now we're ready to add everything together. Adding the whole numbers, we get 34. And adding the numerators, we get 17. And that's still over 40. So over the course of 3 days, the athlete ran this many miles. Again, look for keywords or phrases to help you set up and solve any word problem.